Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Really easy stitch type pattern, uh, seamless pattern, and you can make it your own. Just draw a line, and let's make it like 60 points wide. Let's go ahead and go to object and convert that object or outline into an object and left click, right click. I'm going to hit the plus key and that's too far. Let me change my nudge factor like to 3. And you can make it your own. Now that's not maybe far enough. Tell you what, let's make it 4. So we can just delete that one. Plus key. Control G to group these. Control D to duplicate and mirror them 90 degrees. Okay, so this is a group and these are a group. There's really no center in this square. So if you take your smart fill tool and fill these in, and then grab that square, holding down your shift key, have it grow outwardly. And then grab that one and just go Control R. It'll repeat the last step. Grab all these and left click, right click. Now all you have to do is grab this group, hold down the shift key and grab that one, and go back minus front. Now grab this group, which is the horizontal, and grab that one, and back minus front. There's your pattern. Now you could go with that, but you can see it's not. You could go with that for sure, but it's not equal. So let's hit P to put it in, group it together. Real important. Hit P to put it in the center of the page. And this is good. Every time you're going to do it, it's going to be a little bit different. Draw a perfect square and hit P. As long as you have all of them incorporated or all of them selected, I'm actually going to grab the shift key and have it grow outwardly a little bit. Now, because that's 2 groups, I could go right here to intersect. Now you have a perfect square, and we'll make it 4 inches big. Set your nudge factor on 4, which is kind of ironic. That's what we picked. And then just Control D and duplicate. Control D, Control D, Control D. Control D and move it down I'm just using the arrow keys. Grab all these and weld them. And look at that. You have intermittent. It's totally different than the one I practice on. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.